How to quickly delete all liked videos on YouTube. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can quickly delete all liked videos. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your YouTube. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and after your YouTube opens up, simply head over to top on the bottom right corner on your profile and tap on the gear icon on the top right. Now you're on the settings. After you're on the settings, you should see an option called Manage All History right under Accounts. So this is the one. Tap on Manage All History, and after you tap on it, your Google accounts will open up like this. Now on the top, you should see different tabs right here, such as History, Controls, and Interactions. So simply head over to Interactions. After you're on the interaction section, you will see video interactions, and the top option there is video likes and dislikes. Simply head over there, and after you're on the video likes and dislikes, what you'll need to do is simply remove all of these like this. Simply tap on the cross on the top right of each video and delete them. Now you can completely delete a group by simply tapping on delete today, or completely by deleting the day, and after you delete that, you're basically done. So that is how you can delete all liked videos on YouTube, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye.